Today we have initiated a special campaign wherein the staff of Mamledar Office Bicholim they are welcoming the general public who are visiting the office of Mamledar Bicholim for various kind of services such as residence certificate, income for mediclaim certificate, diversion certificate, mutation case files, or any other service this office of Mamledar provides. This special campaign I have initiated to bridge the gap between the general public and the staff of Mamledar Office Bicholim. Mostly the general public are having wrong notion about government servants. They think that government servants are having some attitude issues, approach problem. So to solve this approach problem, this special initiative I have initiated in the office of Mamledar Bicholim, wherein the staff of Mamledar Bicholim are welcoming the general public and greeting them by giving them a flower, that is rose. Finally, I have sensitized the government staff, that is the staff of Mamledar Office Bicholim, to approach the general public nicely, welcome them, greet them, and explain the various kind of services which are offered by the office of Mamledar Bicholim. I have sensitized the staff of Mamledar Bicholim to behave nicely to the general public, so that the wrong notion that the general public are having of government servants who are having the approach problem or who are having some attitude issues is resolved. I have also sensitized the staff of office of Mamledar Bicholim that government servants are public servants. They should not forget that we are public servants. Finally, we have to deliver the services to the general public in a time-bound manner, and we have to behave in a friendly manner to the general public, since our salary is borne out by the government out of taxes. Thank you.
आम्ही आमची अपेक्षा घेऊन येतात आयज आमचें काम जातलें आनी तो एक ऑफिसर सांगता की तो ना हो ना तो ना अशें जावंक जायना आयज आमच्या बिचोलीन तरी काम बरें चल्लेलें आसा देवा कडेन मागता की अशेंच चलचें
ओके देव बरें करूं तुमी म्हायती दिली
मामलेदारान जेन्ना बी हांव येयल्लो आसा विड्डेचे म्हजे काही कामां घेवन किंवा पर्सनल लेवलाची सुद्दां ह्या म्हणजे मामलेदारान आतां इतलो बरो रिस्पॉन्स येवपाक लागला की प्रत्येक जे स्टाफ आसा ते आमकां बरेपैकी हँडल करतात कामां फास्ट जावपाक लागल्यात आनी त्या खातीर हांव मामलेदारांचो आनी सगळ्या स्टाफांचो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थँक्यू